ndio upate hiyo kiti.
The Law Society of Kenya has staged a nationwide march to demand justice for two advocates who were recently killed in what the society describes as a stand against growing threats facing members of the legal profession. Take a look.
His regards, he is on an operation outside Nairobi County, and he delegated the task of receiving our petition to one of his senior officers. We have presented the petition. We have expressed our concerns with the deaths of Esther, Edward, and even the unexplained death of Chalom Bobu, who was assassinated a few months ago. We have requested for robust investigations. We have requested for a high-level investigation team to be set up and LSK to be involved and to be kept updated of what is happening. We have asked for justice. We have asked for investigations of what has been happening at Kenya Forest Service, where there are concerns of public land being grabbed.
Yes. Justice. 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 Justice.
We have indicated that the Law Society of Kenya is ready to assist at any stage. We will utilize all our legal and constitutional powers to go to court to summon anyone who has been involved in violations. The police service has assured us that they are going to work very hard based on the petition we have presented to them this afternoon. However, we are not going to remain quiet or passive, waiting for results. Eternal vigilance. Eternal vigilance is the price for liberty.
Is the price for liberty.
Eternal vigilance.
Eternal vigilance
is the price for liberty.
is the price for liberty.
As the Law Society of Kenya, we commit to all our members, to the public, and to the members of the press that we shall remain eternally vigilant so that justice may be done and not just seen to be done.
What give me power? Power! Give me power! Power! Give me justice! Justice! Give me justice! Justice!
We want justice when?
Now!
We want
Lawyers there calling